rational reasoning. What the atenka ediwenim, atenka na abeye the interpretive framework, and no na abeye the lenser. Wo heso na wa church wadwene anawa tu anamo emwao se woma atenka ebeye fact in life emwao. Remember, don't forget this. Anytime emotions become facts or feelings are treated as fact, you are in trouble. You are in trouble. Be careful. And the sound from Swami ye in coming ye be da. Sabri betumi asanachia. Sound from Swami ye be da. And Nuntina wo Sompa Joseph Asafo. Menam Sompa 106.5 FM swap. Mede afutu mapa. We won't talk. We won't yaka. Onkotana bi me ya nyusika. Eye free. Averi edi wono eye personalization obi wono mo a wono obi twa ne ho a say I didn't know him sir. Na hu so
buy one okuta degree okuta master's degree wa bo na ho modern
aka asem o
ai eno no eye because you say e man ko ye adwuma but oduru ho a na no abayi obi anani abre opeso osum nyame anani abre so believe chase life onye agya ne ho obodi ne ho besie kopem so obeware adwuma mu boss no said esi tata no no
ebi wo krampa departmental head kola no wono no ya fa wadwuma no na o departmental head no wase o pa one plan no adwuma kola wase o ma akwa ma o ye no kura fe no o de mani paforo
I would many I say
departmental head on no adwuma ru na afa na wo so ya fa wa because e bia wo hye na
sinti no
wono bibi wo so ma wo mfa ho ma no wase o pe wo mfi sinti no
wono so kwa na adwuma na nya na diam
adwuma na nya na bia ono no obi oda obi
or departmental head or the department ya na
adwuma ru afa no so adwuma ru afa but wo akọ hye na sinti no
wase wa anya say ya
wase o pe wa mpene it's end adwuma I was o ma wo ye no
ma wo ye
it's going on
it will be no redundant
what to fa
onya hwe
enu nesese wo mo hye na edi hye bi gu akwan so ai betimi ama nipa no betimi asiki justice because abai wa we school no okuta certificate no obadwuma na enu no so departmental head ni mpanifo gise me ne wa dansa na me de amawa na enu na sekire ne sei
na adwuma pi mu adwuma
wo mu pa bebre
makuma no kra na ndu be se 5%
bebre etia na me bu adwuma wura no mo a wo mo no mo adwuma yefo na me bu wo mo pa
me kona ne office pa
de bi ai me bu adwuma wura nom oh se adwuma ya che ye meti mpanifo obi ti Akosua ma fa me mpranche adwuma ye ni musia kai me mfada o se da bi na o be kasa che mani wo fo
ai
na de mani ma ba be ye fo because mani wa dantia Debbie was me boom who enough.
You might have phone no
that I was made me who be quabonting than some from a Jumani. Who officer dear, who person who should me cram
don't mix pleasure with business.
Sir, a business. It's we are then to me with the number you are.
No.
But I know what to plenty. Nippon won't pay for more. Your mama didn't cry out and a show. 2 years Juma Penny so yeah boo. Debbie, I'm cousin Pedu and your Bunica, and your baby and your road. Oh, and your fat. And your boo, what ben your baby and your road. What you mean you often a Juma Wuti and a council or watch a night? I suppose I sang Qualanos a Bassan and only me say, or the boss ada departmental head and so no, because when him so no or your boss.
I will be a flower, Jimmo.
I am be our Jimmo because when him said boss, boss who I am mother, boss na ankasa kwa me de now. We are boss who am here for to conquer from Basabasa.
Pokura urutana wo movie. Ogolona ankasa kwa makana to form.
Adwene na ya ne kura. Na mi mehu na bi bofo mani so
na me to ne mo na obi koto obi mo na me na me nim de ba me so ene ya kine ya ma ne 30 years.
No, e woni pedua no. Desires are in the body.
In the body. Akono woni pedua.
Drives are in the body.
Akono woni pedua ni.
Sanity. Na akono woni pedua mo sabe se nipa didi. So ni bia na yedi.
Dabi.
Enti ye hye ye ho so se. Enye bibiara woni pedua ebe pia ho. Na obi di achi.
because prof obi kan say e come de o said den a onum petrol and as su come de o said den was no matter how much you are hungry won't mean ka say okofa petrol no na che say ye wa ho so
the say udi your drives your desires your appetites a woni peduanim
na ye ba ko pa nipa bia ese say o sre nyame ho adom wo sre nyame ho adom say radi we die dom me na bua me na menya ho hyeso eye sexual self control ese wo sugu nyame so say wo ma obi because say honhom no aba the fruit of the spirit the ba ko eye self control sexual self control ese obi a wo boss empire ese wo timu se wo ye obi a wo ro ho basabasa wo sugu e say radi we die radi we die
Dome me
wo ho
ntimi hya me ho so
na mitimi hya me ho so
ya ba bia ye ro
enti sa wanim guase e
bia na awro ho
obrimpo wanim guase chami former school assistant headmaster die to no
tech
I am a former school KNUSC senior high school I want to make secondary school
and I know
cha assistant headmaster die to no akoda ketwa
Japan krom die so I science lab now we find student
na no class maths wo hini bi so kra yetu na de so fi so ayi konfo ba
ja se hene
mesi ade ba ko wo bi esugu awurade so awurade me srawo seme seme ye bibia kura sa de we nko ade me srawo dom me
mobo
etin na tima panyini pa na ye de sex video manipulative
na ya so for
the sex video ye wo empanifo so ye the sex video manipulative o busu bi o mu tieska and this say the sex video ni be ba bonte na ka wa ho hye so anko bi benya
say we blackmailing no
extortion ni blackmailing man ho de free
say wo ye no record
enso onim ho hwe
onim ho hye eti akirei wa no asande de amount wa ansande mi we a me de be pie me de be ma wo yere hey sexual self control me see obi ahia bi
ana me man titru
catch ready say ready mama Joseph die ni bi
omo woni anifra
and say Joseph ayi kan Job say o se me ni akwa apam sama Job kan o se me ni mani akwa apam say me nhya abayowa akono kwan so etu ye be man ni wani enkwa apam if say be ma bi akono na sha se free wani actor bi me money din me hia no wo fida dem na me respect ne pa waje din wo Ghana ha ba me money din ade ba ko no say ohia oba no asi ni trase uye hwan wo mpaganity etu onu se mente say osi ono oba we yada no oba we yada da uye oba wo pie ya no asi ni trase wo nhwe wo kasa no wo mpaganity ra oye big actor e wo Ghana ha mpagana ni nhwe okay mate mo asi ni trase ba be ma ba no ne kasa hey bro onim ne mreye because onim say shase afri ani ete mama respecting ne papa oye hwan na ye oba onya ote ho no so oba piepe na wasi ni trase no afa okọ ne fon so asa onya nipa
obone ho ban
Job simi ni mani akwa apam efisa akọ ne shase afri ani mema ye mani ema ye aso so oba bi e fletia na opasem papa ti wona sum ema ne bi nso ye cheap ote who feel comfort the pen wejeja no ebinom na me sente me ka ebinom unya kan ya comfort no asande ye ntimi na anadwe wunti me hu hwene a
na madege
aise abogu awato
me hu hwene a na me hu nwi ama me hu me chesa ama me hu nwi nyina
obrana mranti ya ba ni yebu ni ye skirt bia ye wuram ene ba bia no nsem bia ye kọ na ye se o ye jiwe ni na me ka cho se Proverbs and Ecclesiastes o se abranti Moses wa o se o de abasadi ya obaso ye bia
ya o de ye
no nsan be nom o fa ma fa o se nyina ye na mo fa hye wetiko say God will bring you into judgment.
Ecclesiastes 12
yes or they over back atemu mu enti be mbeje wan de na I don't know what is happening here you know pa unim ebre na sambre bi atwam no na wo yesa na wo gas na wo yi amame na wan ya enti abusafo Shannon so
na problem wo kan
are your first enemy
point bi am make some time ago me remfida we see I escape Mrs. Holy Spirit help me. What can be efa say o say habit be anywhere wa enya untimi nsesa o say who can say everybody can change.
Yes, now me can say because I am comfort if I know immutability syndrome and a fallacy. I can say be immutable. I just say entumi nsesa osuamrobo etim de etim said yet no sana mete onyankopon Bible say Jesus Christ yesterday today and forever.
Okay.
Wo ye nyankopon. Wo ye nyankopon. One can say human beings yesterday today no. Na ebinu ma imagine say me de sana mete. Na
me de me wabufuo.
Immutability person say wo dwene say said you what no nothing can change you. Na no correct.
Unye nyankopon.
Akosua jata. Animals have been tamed.
Jata mpo ya temu.
Or ya carnivore or carnivorous animal or mujanam. Obetumi kunipa ye temi no. Animals have been tamed. Wild animals. When you and what are you telling me? Say you can't change. It's not true.
And you know correct.
Say nipa son ever brabumwa and gave us na kaze.
Opani twanani anani raho. Mara husempa na mike. Mintam kesia na mi boswi. Mimranti bremu mentia futu. Elamina binyo. Mrantiani mabawa kutie me. Akama yesa mudao.
Ya boy. Ya ba Sompa.
Ankama yesa mupei suku yima ufodi mikobi na sukoda boni semti manyire mi wensua de oyime di kwan so maye di kan be di achire mafo nyina ye jami ti mamu fama di sua yin agro mamu fama di sua yin agro kra aka everybody na sanja aka safu swami sorry, pa. Bringing some money, try me photo, and some mama through few. Let me saw them one I miss up. I want you need hobby. That's how far now, son. Come to Pussy, I know the ya. I can't remember to my son. I can't remember to my son.
Enka misaya akwada biemu a enka metutu mabrabo ye sede be ya mabrabo entwape enti ne de Sompa Rhapsody aba no yempese wo benyina wie na wo beka se nuhu nko a memu akwa baba Sompa 106.5 FM akra jumadi e fa ne Sompa Rhapsody de bremo free adwada kosi efiada ena woni aba kosi akwa boaje kosi enhiramatena se jumadi me ne Reverend Professor Joseph Asafodu ena ye ho adwuma se wante ne nka wo bete me nka yada oje ne dwom no ase nimdia yede bobra eye Sompa Rhapsody abrabo pa ne nyansapa ye sane mu ne yede brewo enuhu ubeyi nuhu afiri wabrabom ebra wutie Sompa Rhapsody wutie Sompa Rhapsody na wo suban bia pese wugya ya Sompa Rhapsody ebe kyerɛkyerɛw ye bre wu nyansa ye de bobra enti me kasa Sompa Rhapsody a wo si nyansa ye de bobra and nyansa ye de bobra na me de bre wo Sompa Rhapsody dwumadie so ye fra me die nyame ye hira no Akosua Goaboaje obetimi afra me Akosua Nhira ebi mo fra me wisdom woman na me se munya abotire na nyansa na me isu afri nyame ho onyame ne ye fra the only wise God, the only wise king, enti to the king eternal, immortal God, invisible God, the God who alone is wise. Na Bible said, "You didn't hubo nyansa phone, we nyansani." Na sabi you didn't hubo Jimmy phone, bedani Jimmy. He who associates with the wise will be wise, but a companion of fools will be destroyed. It is a word hubo Sompa 106.5 FM. Akra ube nyansani. If say nyansa ye de bobran ye de brewo e was Sompa Rhapsody was Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Na topic na mebeka ho asem no fra obi no obi nsum fra obi said ya bran root ka no fra obi no obi nsum fra obi ne betie bi wate na mamenka wo say Sompa Rhapsody dwumade just bread and pastries for and a Pepsodent and afa ho ka Pepsodent and I would teach you see na chesa wanya wo sia bro na waya wo si eyie eno de obi anim say eye Pepsodent cavity eno no na Pepsodent cavity de yes see a friend say do the two before you go to bed as a channel say chichu see na pana chichu si enumre ansa na wada and na Joe's bread and pastries na ye dokono ye friend wholesale dokono eye 3 Ghana cedis per eye 3 Ghana cedis per eno ye Joe's bread and pastries it is a wo ye party say wo ye ye na wo pedokono Ope see a package near the shetone bibia ka homa wo me comfort just bread and pastries a yellow corn no vitamin A woman no any de aye enti just bread and pastries say brana a 3 Ghana cedis pedokuna na modern Ghana dokono ya de ma 3 Ghana cedis ni nyina a just bread and pastries na so koda boni semti manyire me wensu de oyi me di kwan so maye di kan ene ahabe dese and the Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo-Adu. And when you are back with your Goaboaje, the boss will not pay. May say, Abrabon, which you would tie a Bema. Bible say, he who associates with the wise will be wise, but a companion of fools will be destroyed. It is a word who bought Sompa Rhapsody, who be Nyansa. If so, so do who be Nyansania, who be Nyansa for myself. Na sabio odi hu bo obi a najiri mu ha na che say wajiri mu beye ha enti enenso Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo-Adu wo bibi maye na menso metreche ne ma back ne papa yesi wuchi mu tan wo behunu nyansa yesa wo mpe na obisi min kancha prof say enno topic na wo kanene mensa man kan na me topic bay wo say enkwada no a eniema ye de hankwada adwene ye de sen kwada adwene wo say na do ese wutimi to so prof eniema etimi sen akwada adwene ese ya akwada adwene prof say uye sa wo sei wo bana adwene wo bana ye say na wo kan say che na wo sei na adwene e de no mi dru fie no me ba bia na wo huru nkukuo mo say de na wo si huru nkukuo no na nya say de mi si pe no enka me be ka bibi na me say prof say and I'm a prophecy we are not hankwada no eti ene ye ba beto so ye ba beko yanim e de afa ho ai betimi abo wo ye pa ye manu a ye tete wo mo no wo say akwada na dwene wo ne nkwada bremu saa eti wonyini no na fe akwada no wo suffer from the friend no low self-esteem na wo suffer ewom na the friend low self-esteem na akwada no na wo brewom atem didie adapetwa eti na Sompa Rhapsody prof abay die ye beto so na akoyie eniema ye yetia ye ma ese wo madwene e ma akwada ne beye a rebellious child minim die ntia me ba so oden na nso na afriwu ena minim die ntia me ba me ka bibia nche na wontie eye wa enkwada bremu no ebra akwada no ye fom no eniema bi ye yesu ne ye ban ka ho nti na ma akwada no na dwene ya saye Etienne se wotie Sompa Rhapsody ebeto so ho. Ye wi ane dia bowura ware efisa ware mu a. 90 me bon wakwaba. Na me mu akwaba ba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Sompa Rhapsody with Reverend Professor Joseph Asafwadu and Akosua Nhira and Awutie no. Ti me ka Sompa Rhapsody a. Si nyansa ye de bobra ene ye de bema wo. Nyansa wa adwene mu. Nyansa wa honhom mu. Nyansa wa watenka mu. Nyansa wa wonipaduam wo kra wo honhom bibia ye de bema wo. E wo Sompa Rhapsody. Na wo mpe we na wo pede yi. Eti wontimi nkasa me so na obi anka nkyere me. Sompa Rhapsody e ka kyere wo. Ye ka kyere wo. Na minimu o I Sompa Rhapsody e be mu ahunu. Yenyina so a Proverbs chapter 4 verse 7. Was it get wisdom and in all thy getting get understanding. And Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 was in him dear me mind into Nhira. It is Sompa Rhapsody be ma wonim dear any answer. Eti yatna si dear enhu no a oje ka ho asam na manu me ho. Ena anka me sen ya kwada biemu a nanso koya kwada biemu a enye ye mra bi na me ka cha kwada bi se wo junior high school uniform na watro wo hyiegu wo no wo nhye biem wo senior high school uniform no a wa wuragu ho no wo nhye biem ebre na cham that season is gone won sanko enkoye a 13-year-old girl biem won sanko ye a 14-year-old girl biem eti a 14-year-old boy biem ti wotie Sompa Rhapsody a ebema se de na prof kan wo add value to yourself wo add more value to yourself eti emu akwa ba yidi na enche ye de nkomo no be hyehye so
Kama yesa mupen suku yima ufodi mikobi na sukoda boni semti mayire mi wensua de oyime di kwan so maye di kan be di achire ma fo nyina ye jami ti mamu fama di so ye ni agro mamu fama di so ye ni agro kra aka emrebeti na santia aka sanfu for me my self company sikani awafana mi wobio disike nyina womanu medi ma hondi nyina somemba dama kwansa mufwa na mesamem and body abanji mitoi ma free me mama ye masankwa kwa fire yeah my self company this is tsunami num sorry pa bringing some money try me photo and some mama through you. Let me swat the one I miss up. I hold in on the hobby. As I friend, I was your son. Come to Pussy, Jainunia. I can't remember my sanity. I can't remember my sanity. Cheno na miso na sukrobia ni agenti manyanja paje bia ofio na menyi adumi pani fieso abrochete na funumio na sumiti mi komi chibiem mama beka obi my so hey
Ai na nyame boa me mosomfo Joseph Osafo menene mene me aminiaba Akosua go aboaje atrase ene omanfo se enra no na Akosua na easy kura omo se na easy kura na Akosua who say
oh unse papa make us minya report bebre from enkrofo mo si sa parenting eniema bia na wo bobo so se wo yese ya na wo ha akwada na dwene o mo se ene o mo pese wo san ekoso biem efa eniema bia ye ye tia ye makasa bia ye ka ntia me kura no me tru fie no na me baba ko
okay
na me hese de papa ma anyu ko fo kakra me hese de o si huru nkukuo mu no a na nko se de mesi pe no ba me kai o
okay
me kai asema o kai na me dru fie na me ba no ehuru nkukuo no mu no instructions na me de man no enye saa na o ye na se wo ye bia bi enti me ni boss no ho na me kai prophecy when one ka bibia ebe damage akoda ni brain asem bi efiri wonu mu ba na betimi asai wo ba na dwene asem bi efiri wonu mu ba na betimi ama wo ba no ebe ha no eti wana papa me kai yese ampa me collaborate me nyini as a teenager na me suffer from low self-esteem
okay
eti ene so because Akosua wa kokodro wo kasa boldly I laugh but because na me ye teenager no na me suffer from low na me nyime hu ni
okay
na ye wo nipa bi wo kra me hu o ma na ehu atome so as a 13-year-old girl me hu o ma na ehu atome so nipa bi wo kra me mpese me hu o mo na me tracy no ena me hu say ampa because say me ne nkrofo bebre tena because my mom and my dad divorced when I was 3 years old.
Wow.
Yes. It omo me ko tena omo nchen no. Say wo ye mistake kakra bi a. Say de besie di watem ne e be bu mu no. Eti I realize oh until now and no wo kasa na say oh na matiase. Sa de ne di imagine mu dem ntia. As a teenager,
earlier the brain or the smaller the brain.
Deeper
the imprinting. Okay.
Yes. And then mommy boom me ho abofiano because we hear ade ketwe bia. Say the best ye do watem na amana it say there is nothing bibi papa bia ni mu.
Because on say as akora no. Did you kind no afei na wo pick your skills.
Oh yes.
One year obia where to me see bibi enyam akwadrem.
There be afei na wapa.
A child is a developing if you like being a potential adult. And say when developing ye no so be a make comment
okay
a degrade wa it further degrades you.
Oh
unya say say won kan bibi a kire obi a oye a master of near oye no o kan obesro
sir
obaka about you what you know onim say the skills no e mature the skills no baby adunu de just a gina.
But akora di onim she afen wo develop
and a burden anytime you are destroying a burden potential. Okay, burden. Just say BUDDING. Afen na eba up. Na oka be etiapa. You are destroying it. Because it's a growing thing. Afen na
die ni nyini.
Afen na ni.
It is a wo sign na
a tender. It is a plant. Dua kakra ya afen say wawane afen say odumne. Nina were very tender.
No, a son's and
a son obey me a boom.
Yeah,
obey to me. You can just use your hand, your leg, and weapon. You can easily do it. But in India, you can't.
Oh, want to be money, sir.
You can't. And the Akresa, not Unisa. I didn't Nisa. They haven't yet been exercised. And I will fear see I won't say no.
Oh, Papa Matthias here. Nurse at that time said, "Oh, can I go down the wall?" Developmental stage.
Exactly. Exactly.
Enti say wo koka o make comment bia.
Exactly.
Just anu odin na dia we wajimi ana. No kansa. Enti that time no obehu ne ho sasa bia wajimi.
Straight away.
Sa na obehu na.
Obehu no say wajimi. Wonimu nyansa.
Wonimu nyansa.
Na de na me yi. And once sa de be wura.
No ni tiri no.
Wawie no.
Wawie no.
Wawie no. Onyini nyina no. Or the frafra. Or the frafra. Or the frafra. Or the frafra. Me good. I'm not good. My bon, my saying, me my dear, me suya dear, me won ye fe. All of those. Or the best frasa. Na adiba ko ewo adweno entini ho ne say who's very interesting. Akra no efasa ne bon na wo kan ni nyina.
Akoda na a comment na fi na wo fo numba na akoda na efa no.
Some part of the brain, say Omuma so hanam.
Omuma so ha.
We na all the rational thinking.
Rational thinking.
Prefrontal lobe.
If I say frontal.
Prefrontal.
Frontal.
And you see you with Tikwan Krama. Once I do
okay.
And no, what did you name?
Sir, prefrontal.
And all the rational thinking.
Rational thinking.
Wonderful. What did you have Kranata? Make I just say, you are doing a amygdala. And no, I say a bear.
Okay.
And the baby also be a box.
Yeah.
Can't we am shown, hey, and then I meet ye, me, I miss me good.
Yeah.
We are selling in Anna and Brundubis, a good baby.
And also,
not a Hannah, what they general, a catasso.
Oh, Nessa, I could done rational thinking.
Yes.
The Abemana Jini, and I'm sir, Nessa, Papa, what can I say? Some negative comment,
Right.
Any in some chichi, a release certain kind of
chemicals.
Chemicals. And it's a chemical, and I say, friend, same.
And it be adrenaline, it be a cortisol.
Okay.
Now, sa cortisol if you go, sa part be open if no amygdala.
Amygdala, I will bring.
And when I said the alarm place.
Okay.
And I didn't call you be an ebo.
It's a no more.
And a bay more and never a kata prefrontal lobe. And or cortex, and then to me, rational thinking is impaired.
Nessa, I didn't know the bedroom gentleman.
Oh, Debbie,
say, General.
The young channel,
yeah,
you're good.
Until
low self-esteem.
I want the free.
If you say,
oh,
I'm
wow.
not good. I'm not good.
On you know,
I'm not good. I'm not good. Elisa, I'm not good. I'm not good.
And then your papa, you can such a man say very
careful. Serious. Look, you can damage your child's brain structurally. The man didn't mean you.
I'm not going to cheese.
Obey me, just I say, Bobre, Sunny.
Okay, I can't imagine a Bob. Obey me, do one no say no,
because it's a developing brain.
Yeah. I feel
and to who so walk can some function or something.
Yeah.
O can't them the dear.
Yeah.
And if I say an imtiabuo.
Yeah.
Now who so any in ano. Now I dream even the size of it will grow.
What? I didn't the size necessary.
The size will not grow.
Hey.
Now a crabia not doing size na grow piano. Nisubaye.
I could be a not doing size no.
Size no grow.
Nisubaye.
Say if you yes. Say if you say even criminal minds.
Okay,
serial killers. And him which say a be adwene and develop it.
Not nyini
tell be an home. Eti dia what's a home be adwene nyini awie.
Hey,
frontal cortex no nyini awie.
Papa, asma who catch him any ye kuro hey. Papa, Papa, ye kuro hey. Me nyin ni se nipa bebre ya dwene ni anyini wie.
Akoso ebi dia.
Papa me nyin ni se.
Ebi dia.
Bebre na ya dwene no anyini enwie because se wo hye atem didie ye nkola abrem ebro because papa me die na me kasa na me suffer from low self-esteem. Ade ba akokora ma low self-esteem ne DP ye ne say.
Okay.
Na omo se me sebe ma me ho nye fe. Imagine yes. Imagine say ye didi watem wo de didi watem ne say ohunye fe na wo sebema. I remember say me say papa no wo kasa no I was reminiscing
some of the things
na me pese me hu die ntia na me ye teenager from age 13 ABC because it took time. It was rather in my late 20s and so na me gather my confidence together.
Wow.
Eti as a devastating me. Eti eno na wo ka sa wo ye say na wo say akwada na dwene. Wo ye say na wo say na me kai say me auntie bia me kwotena ne nkyɛn de no otimi di matem pa na say o ho tantan. Yes.
Wow.
O ho sep o ho nye fe. Wo sebema.
Wow.
Oh, yes, as me kai pa o ho nye fe. Wo sebema. E ho nye fe ti sa e di mi timti me wo junior high school no that time JSS. Na me penam fufu o mo ho fe na me
mo na do ho abomo.
Because na me hu ne say me di wo me ho bo wo mo no. E na be ma me nso so menya value.
Wow.
18 no now there was some friends on more school now omo ho fa I intentionally decided say memo my madam fo It's me na fufu nyina ho ofe.
Ah, it's not a man. Just open up.
Ebema me so me hu say at least me so that's how I responded. So the son may respond to that abuse, no.
Wow.
May respond to that abuse, no. True say, may fan and for it. I'm not for now, cocoa, because I don't know about cocoa from Qua. The number for me a cocoa from Qua who are fair. It's almost a Sammy and area for me. What I'm feeding who feel insane so no. Now I'm a Miss who say, Miss me important because Mateo Masum. Say me hunya fe na me sebema etino me who say I'm not good enough. I'm not beautiful enough.
Look at how a younger brain Accra was so or potential baby when you may
episode do we
not baby I do over 2 years and the environment baby I do over 2 years baby I will 2 years
baby I do
it's about who say you can have a potential but your environment will kill you.
Papa paper repeat when I repeat
you can have
you
can have the best of potentials but the environment will kill you.
Nessa ubetimi abawia se nyame de niema bebre wuro mu
what bibia wuro
mu niema kese betia na mo baby ebe wo to ye no ebetimi ewu sa adoma chede
ya wo Joseph eto abusuan bi mu a
ya
nanka ebe bo wo mo ase yenkoton yenton no yenku no so the environment is very powerful. It's what me share obi na o kana asema eni na empese me pese e be judging confront.
I like that.
You don't know where they are coming from.
Am I muni party? You don't know. When baby wo ne to ye, woni abuse a washem.
You don't know. You have no idea. They were from asema from sema ya catch no. Ade bi a teacher bi ya catch no when he was growing up.
Hey.
And then enkrofo we share na because the most devastating thing is this. So I don't for catch yourself when you fa.
Yeah. Wadan for on and nam catch us when you face that you big deals. Ya bibi and mama, madam for us when you face today.
But you have to say significant others.
Significant others. Oh, mama. Oh, papa. Wunia. Wukunu. Wanti.
Nkofwe ba oyire. Nkofwe ben
what say who no. Who hear what ben. Who hear what
because they know you. They know you. Womunimo be bia ofriba.
Yeah.
It is as microphone catch you say. Me say wo ho ye fe. Me say wo se bema.
Woni tantan.
Wo bema.
Wo ne kakraka.
Ensem wo beka obi catch.
Wanu se kuraba. Ya abatansi edidi ate papa apo. Na wanu kakraka se kuraba. Uti kakraka se kube. Ni apoche. Naso omse naso no sa adanko. Waso te se. Abata bia no ya o. Papa, abata bia no ya o. Ena waso sa adanko. Waso tentete say eyure bia tete. Oh, eti Akosua di watem.
Tena me kan. Me say the younger the brain,
the
deeper the imprinting. And say adwenu so na efe na enyini. Ena da bia wo sore a. Menim say wo de won ye bia. Onkosi yaga. Say wo me ma banyem along the way. Hey, obedi 15 years obewo. Menim say wo onfa hemre me.
Papa sam no kwana wo.
Oh yeah, me mani now so. Ko won ya abofra bia.
Papa no kwana wo kana no pay.
Menim say wo da achen ye fe. And then me want to so krampa me kram ha na ade ame ye. Menim say wo say now we oba now. Menim ka dem ba ara kram na no me be mo. Papa,
asam na reality na wo kana.
These are the words.
Papa reality
na wan pe.
Ai
ehia obi ka je ne baba say o kwa ne to say scissors. Ai
na hwia
I say what to say scissors. Na o kasa cha o baba enti onam ho a ene say na na otu nyina scissors sakis adwene nya say wadwene
papa mo ya
na o say wo ba
enti
o de he wo go so ebi mo ko enkrana bi e ko tresams a jebe friend ne ba etunefo so Akosua no kwe menim say what dey wabe hey you can write obetumi atro me ho what dey say what kind of ontiasia move to
sending crying
what tiasia no na ye obi so friend ne ba no wa no kwa sa na kwa ye JHS no they said you only have 10,000 bre me o he some ya o catch akra yi a wonya wura examination mu pass ya 10,000 and one na wura dwunu enti onim se wonya de enti awon mu tie nei mon kan hu say mon mamba ne dache they are in your own declarations
asema papa kan say oba na wawo no oba bema oba ba no ne dachi ejina wano asem so
yo
hyane so
yo
oba na wawo no oba ne yedie oba ne nkanko oba ne mpumtuo ejina wano asem so ubetimi de wano asaya kwada no
na Akosua oni madi adi ba ko a na na medwan mes emom parent bi ambo
yeah
your baby in the brain if any hippocampus
e wo brain ni
yes and the boy ma etumi kai ni ma memory and learning
okay
obi osia de bia no the memory part of your brain the learning part of your brain
the ma wo kaya de yes retentive memory no
exactly hippocampus no
yes
hippo and campus
mama de ajinu de sei de hippocampus
when you say Akosua so obi eka nsem anye abasambuo nsem anye ne atemdidi a you know what it does eyi sandro na me ka kire no cortisol ne adrenal na ehwiegu mu a you know what they do today they shrink it
de be ma wo mind no
de be a wode kaya de no
wode be kaya de
be a wode kaya
retentive memory no
Akosua de ya mo ko kiro exams no ade a wode ko examination room no bi a you must set be a technical drawing and whatever any pen what you know and the biggest weapon and the instrument a child needs when he goes to examination hall a calculator is the brain
and you're not doing the brain no but
my men papa and someone will catch a memory no or the memory echo memory no your first the catch no ube encode we are you are going to retain it
papa
who retain it because you are overkai if I recall so encoding retention and recall sani mami and say memory and they enkai
with three mu de ma
encode
papa say repeat biem
encoding just a wusia and a retention if you were retaining knowledge now by exams no if I not recalling just a what kai yes dey kire won no 3 years ago no afetro won so na ma me papa omo sori a atamdije ye kasa kire won etwi wanim ye bobo asom na ehemu kire say nro na ehwieku ni bediem no like cortisol and adrenaline they go to shrink it
wo mo kokomoa emoa sa memory no
emoa hippocampus na emoa no
enti na kra na bon no
be no mo
etu ye baten na me ba bon wo ma akwada na bon
wo na bon
wo no ma akwada na bon
nsem a wo kagu no so it shrinks it na shrinking one you cannot do any ashrinking it is obebo oba jai san someone wo ka che no jai ndi na tam ensan no na wa bon na wo yesen na oni mo he you are shrinking the child's hippocampus one outcome
you are shrinking the child's hippocampus I like the word. You are shrinking the child's hippocampus.
Obi say, I'll say a hippo. Any
campus, no. The Bema Kodana Kai. Obe retaining knowledge.
Yes.
Obe recounting in ano. What's saying? Through attempt Didier. Mammy bit me Hannibal. I heard a name. What do you mean, say? What that mean, say? Woo, mob rebia. I'm a cat on the bano. Hey, whoa, minim say, whoa, mob rebia. Minim say, Wabra Boyem Kosiaga. Woman himself, maybe when you were about 13, no, I walk. Woman himself, you are do quiet, but Sunday, what back? Hey, wow, may walk crano, the brain coming who said, oh, Jimmy, and where Jimmy, no, I can't catch any back. The budget and anymore, Adaya or person Cassidy and no papa can say, I could be always slow learner. oni abotre o de be twen ma akoda na sua o pese wo kan say wo huru nkukuo mu no omra na akoda na wo huru nkukuo.
Wow.
Eti o pese wo kan say e bo 10 na wo huru no ba na 11 e de na mka cho say ayi huru nkukuo 10 na 11 na fe na so de maka cho so de maka cho se wajimi maka cho se bibi papa bi amfiri mu ma na wa keka sansam no. Eti papa education we dey here.
What the brown on the cell. That was a hippocampus no go. Again, sa atemdie no. Na me kan no. Ebe weak, ebe shrink the hippocampus.
Hippocampus.
But what is also that is that rational part no.
Rational part na what?
And the prefrontal no. A weaking.
Hey.
No, because words are powerful. On say none some can say
words are powerful.
Obi say, oh me dey me nkumu bia. But I can tell you, potentials have been killed by words. Gifts have been killed by words. People have been murdered by words.
Powerful.
And someone enye emfra enkrofa saying in a kunkrofo.
Papa ma me repeat it. O say obi timi ka say me nkum obi a. Me ni ewu. Nanso wano kasa.
Oh wakubi.
Wano kasa kum obi.
Kuniba.
Wano kasa di obi ewu.
Sir.
Wano kasa pra obi.
Sir.
Wano kasa ma obi nti wantimi afofele destiny.
Ni nyina ya wudi.
Obi wo wano kasa nti wonyine huni. Wano kasa ma obi bu ne ho abofia.
And the easiest place we can commit murder is when we have young minds.
Baby, wutimi die wo kese pa ne wo bra adwene ni suafe na adwene ni nyini no.
That's why you can commit
na wo die wo
the most murderous acts are in our homes.
Ye fie
A sankra.
ya senkwa
Maybe a doctor and then uchi truck. Machine bi pa na wo niema akwana nim ya. Yamana nko school.
Yamana nko school.
Maybe.
Eso wutimi se koko school anka de. Obetimi aye no.
Well, on starting schools atem the disa. Now you look at me brabo. I was not a sharp type.
Yeah.
Because
I didn't
like it. I don't know how I like that. But me person cry in an environment where baby facilitated.
There's a akwada na sua de bibi boa no ma na de sua ne koyie.
Eti me pe hu na sa.
Wo pese obe hu akwada.
Na oba
yeah.
No.
But when you say papa parent bi wo so a and fathers bi wo ho a. Omo gin say wo de ne huhu beto so. Obi okwa wo pia na ne medwane. Obi okwa they say eno na man feel say I'm the father of the house.
Your friend be say King Lioness. And about King Tiger. Many mobi so a say obafia e fa Saddam Hussein. Saddam Yawo.
Where papa na o ma frɛ Saddam Hussein.
Saddam Yawo. Wow.
O ma frɛ Saddam Hussein.
Obafia Saddam. Why? So with me creating a facilitative environment. It's the environment our children are born into. It's not between she will say, maybe I'm coming you, na baby, I me toy. I can force it. Say, you want to see so.
You want to see so.
One charity.
One charity.
Yes, I be one.
Yeah, yes, I be
one. Because I now what to valley be mu. Valley me, yeah, what the valley mu that? And I say me also.
There's a yemia ma say yes I see you. Papa yemia ni see you.
Me say you best na anya brania ya church about the mind of poverty.
Oh here Jimmy. Oh here.
I go say I serious. Hey, me share bu sem bia we ye here for. But o ma dwene mu dawo.
Omo ye here for.
Yes.
But o ma dwene mu dawo.
Adwene ye sharp.
Wow.
When ni bebre, when ni sikasa, when ni daisa, omo ni kasa.
But adwene ni ye sharp.
Hey. Ebi say wo wura hwa. Wo he incransations bi a omo nanano.
There's an encouragement be parents no cano.
Or friend grandchildren I say momra ye no make my brabo. Mamu parent brabo.
Yeah.
Your generation, ye nyantia sibi. But modi
ye mamu send me die no.
Mube to me aye. I say me monona.
Wow.
Me tamochi.
Me tamochi.
Adie bia adwene bia mbe hia. Na ma brabo koyi no monona me tamochi. No offer kwasi ete say adwe ete say wokoso. Na de mia ho ubetumi aye mia ho. Ete say de abrant bia no offer say ono wentumi anko school.
Yeah.
Driving no sua. Nanso waka che ne ho say.
Yeah.
Ne ma ebeko school.
Wow.
The problem is that ebinom poverty mentality na woni fie no.
Yeah.
No, they are foreign.
When they are foreign kwala no.
Oh, Henry say mokra kana me man yi no.
Yeah. Mokra mo ka ho.
Na or they are foreign. Eti ne pa. Dear baby ya wona wo bate. And someone who catch no.
Wow.
Atamidie. Anim tiabuo. Ane ensama emfra. Oh, ne ensama enhye nkran. Na enwa na wo catch no. You are destroying Akran hippocampus. And a face so you are weakening the prefrontal cortex. Sani ma mienu na bua ma akra esuade. Na wo kasa nsem nyina che no, you are destroying it. Se me no wa anka me baby mu aka nsempa. Na akra no okotro exam si wa tworo na wa ya de pa. Nti na o tell benjo sa abe no. Kwanti abuti sema ade ya na abayo. En sese o ma ofie eye mofra sabi. Omo ene nyere ana ene momodia meti afusrebo ene me ene osom Akosua Aboaji ene yetena asi ne de Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 I say Emma Amafu me twa me hotel listen
Yes, sir, can you hope you move? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na ube koto. Akoto to ebro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa koton. Wabra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
O say price no. Ube tu na wo kwa na wakwa koton. Eno no se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss. Enti celebrate introducing Joe's hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Da bia ye no nso. Eya honidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke. Mo amoto dokuno nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
Joe's Bakery. Jome ye wo commercial bank echi ho no a. Sa wo pedudu atu ha. Na wa frɛ 02560688832. And you say dear Joe's hot kenka benti. And one say wo betu ya. Na wo dia kwa kosi wo kona ho. Na wo ton. Joe's hot kenke. Hot kenke. Ye dia bawo pona no. We eye hot.
Hi, you're from me up now from Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Midday Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebemawu entertainment, information, and education. Onia, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashane say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Now, ode Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwabo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa kire ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
ɛmma Sompa First Service entwa wo ho nkɔda ɛyɛ dwada kosi efiada anopa no num kosi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyinaa hyɛ Awurade nsa na Awurade bɛyɛ
Akwada hu dachi anana ni aje opani twane ni anani raho mara hu sempa na minke mintam kese na mi bosui memrati bremu mentie futu elemi na minyo mranti ani mabawa mutie me akama yesa muda Sompa Anka mayese mupei school yi ma ufo
anka mayese mupei school yi enkura bon same team ma me ho nsuare ema eja me kwan mu nanso enam Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 wonye obi a obeka achi bio omanfo mame acknowledge me sponsors na yento aso we just bread and pastries. They are proudly introducing for all of you kenke, just hot kenke. Also, dokunwa, just a tasty, a convenient, also a clean, hygienic preparation. 3 cedis per ball, wholesale price. Also, sound dokuni a buru papa ni ediaye. The end an environment that is clean. Also, opesa utu, and they call funerals, what they call weddings. What you call laboring job, what you call a beer, and nipa, benya beardi, now on home, a son won't say yes, what you call pa, or say, you'll be honest, I'll be friend, just bread and pastries, 025 60 688 32 025 60 688 32. What's your order behind Ghana Commercial Bank? Make your kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with John's Hot Kenke. And to kenke, obia, wape dokunwa, ano shade dokunwa mankwa, dokunwa, emesani bi kurampuna, Yesu, yekwa heaven na anybody, grand dokunwa. Mama de ana kopa de na ye practice, ewa ha sana heaven aba. Ai, ebebo papa. Enya nonkwa where Unilever for Pepsodent cavity no say osrea yes now ho embao sre no obi hu se osen efe yempe rainbow colors bia e wosen ose osrea no abu anu wasre kama no obi hu say yes osen efe pa na ye no me bi no tumi ye enti Unilever for say omo de sa Pepsodent cavity program yaba then actually or say, do the two. Also, then pa, no more tree. A be a no tree. And now say, be a tree, we are no tree and brain. And now tree no pa, no tree and brain. Do the two, just a moment I say. Over to say, and a pan and brain, and I and brain. At least a bayer me new dacro. One over Uchi, now bay tree. And for be a say, Pepsodent, and not now the tree was sent to Kutukuru emblem. Colors, emblem. And you say, don't forget, do the two today, tonight, and every day. Brush day and night with Pepsodent. Mausin and your face. Na obi so entry meon. Na ya. Na wanumuno. E yama obi. Everyone at the ako. Oje dimitata anope matinasi. Made the Sompa Rhapsody 106.5. And I edible. Messiancrophobia or say obradia at the same the job be one majobia. Mama may be a catchy na fe dear yama or ma and yama and catch you. Ye be boa emma brabo akoso, e be boa emma wedi ye, e be boa emma wa brabo etumpon. And the Grand Cobiano and Sompa Rhapsody, any babia, any dephobia and some, any sophobia and some, or ha, Yaboa, a high Grand Cobia, Yaboa, and one brabo ye, Yaboa, and one number 2 SE, Ebuama ufie enso agina yie bre gwankobia ehana wo Sompa Rhapsody 106.5. Michelle Obino katra me say me hu ntemu a kama bra bansa enka nyese de yente no ena me say yenka achi. It's never late, you can always take a turn around. Mese great kasana ereka say repentance no eye metanoa. Na metanoa no ase kire say you are changing your mind. Wo se sa wadwene. Obi adi sister year ose makachi won kachi e. Ade ana wo ye no bejai na wo jai pa it will restructure your brain. Your brain nerves are not late to change. Wadwene ntine no when you say answer, you can learn lessons for your life and improve your emotions. Abofrabia obey president ewo efie bi mu aye di ninya na yakayaka de ye kan semo a eye ya erechira kura no ye nim say president and ye ni di agrosa obi ye sampanyi pa bi ofie oyakora ne ye ne sa abaya bi ofie oy first lady ne ma me kan semo a ebe pre na kire no o break ni self esteem o say ni hippocampus o man dwene a ebe boa no matumi adwene asuade no o man ne shrinke anapai and say oba the future is bright. Baby, I'm free banner, and mammy, and yammy one botre. Now, I me and can some beboamia and can me a full professor teaching at the university, and come here a clinical psychologist, and come here be a ne. I mean to Kwankura, Makobe about 30 countries, and can be a Metigana in Kwan. Namo me mama Akosua Rebecca do ogum wabua me papa onya me wabotre me papa nsan me o kan semo a ebehye me nkran efie bi obi say ne ba obi say professor bi na mosomfo safo me makwan men say wo ba no na wo ba no a onam ho a wumbu no no obesene me kura. Onipa unyamintama unya hoto sanso na unyansa ntemo a wabrabo ekoyie obra wubua afutuo enka hono eyobra enimguase eyoseye ebese ufie na so ufie hono wo bi wo ho a oye boxer papa obi wo football one na beji Black Stars enso somewhere wo ka kire no oh say no. Grant be on your crab say obe woni abaye bi akowo oni sikenti ne buafu abaya no. Also say obe ware woni obi akoda wa akora hu na buafu na wusu abaya bi a ene onyem nya akro be yi akora nagu wa wono na osini mu a et said ye all babai. I Bankobia Menameti Hey Mosomfu Joseph Safo Sompa Rhapsody 106.5. The away Obano Ubrano Jai Mama Jai Papa Jai Ubra Obano Odachia na wayne basabasanu Dachia who ahodini hono obeya na obehia no wo say no Mama Jai na mbeboa na wama oba adiyie na oda achenso ayefe na wubra oba no ai o se obere utwa so asini ene me babio patu me be cha ne ma wofia parenting styles bia esai mofra ne ma bia epira emofra obako bi na akra bi amoa ne ho no hyekona na nehe ano hinro unso wonware ye atona jeje mu ye nware no ye nehe ni mo de fufu akra ye ni ti ye ntwitwi ne se ye se akra no Oh, in a child rights international, Miaminia, bright appear down, no, Niema, or your hono, HSS, Nikura, Esewani, Sakachre, or ye, Juma Papa, and Kra, ye to Tuma Jemu, a bit also Cosco Manenko, na Osuko, na or Toma dear, no one Namha, and I feel a Sia dear or Demua, a cradia waka a chile, wo say o dache, na wo say akurano. Maybe some material no me no imusi say train up a child in a way he should go or set it akura ekwan also faso. Even when he is old, he will not depart from it. One sunny emphaso now so ye the entertain kurano ekwania also faso. Yenga ni yes en kurano ye prawon yes he won ye prawon. Early training, early spiritual and moral training, early emotional training. So what it's akurano now we are in tentamus now buano now we shedding crying ebeboa akurano and say wakura oko school now Bruno okoba now Bruno wencha now Bruno ochano anyadia now Bruno the away any no one side the hippocampus you are weakening the prefrontal cortex. And then I made a moment that show parental stance be a emfra kwemukran emfra adie be kumba adie be sewba wonam honso no wu oyetiase wu akra no entumi sua de otumi nkonanim enkra bia na bon se me bra mi so na na mabon no menya teacher ni bia otenne mase a ofia se o hye madwene enemy parent a wo hye me nkran no wo bo ame. Kane mafra ya buro mo ebutro bubi oha ya bakra no a ete say de aba ebo ban kese no bum no ya bomu a what say yes e wo so wa kase wo yafunu ya bono mane esa on ete say ban ya bono no say be next speaker etu an yafunu Eti harsh of physical punishment. Obeshi obi no say Bible kura say spare the rod and spoil the child. Mambrunoa want to mean konanim oboa o say akura no. Eti oba kura no mu a obon maneka ne kra. Obesu sa not ho ohunu say obia empenasem harsh treatment. Or say sa harsh treatment and the fear and the slow and the shame and the anger ma krano efia sen buafu efe and the slow and efe and the shame na da bia na ese ne ra ho no na na nie wu ne ho every so no say obia empenasam are ba ko e di wura nkura no ho say akura no hu say o pese biribi ekoso na eye ho a you must use force and power. I just a bo yes, I will kiki and you say if you want things done, you must use very forceful control and destructive power. And crabby or honoma, Oba say aggression. No, I kika every say. I did any parent in a femono. Oh, near my war yamama and Buddha war brumono. Send your see cancer me channel. A young cranny say ono so yes, sir. And a babuano. Until they learn through the wrong way. M1 who brano won't say no. Woma bibi ankoso who kuna chronic cra. M1 the away and mama jai. The away another jai. Yanya and crassa. A much say repeatedly. Oyan in there, no one at China, no one at Chinachi, now go so yet, Macachero earlier on said, at the beer, a walk a quana jimua, if any hippocampus, ɛhɔ na akora no so osua de a ɛhɔ na ɛkɔhyɛ adwene yi ɛwɔ baabi a store information enti sɛ akora no sua de a na akɔ hippocampus no na akɔhyɛ hɔ osua na akɔhyɛ hɔ osua na akɔhyɛ hɔ enti ɛda a obɛhia sɛ ɔbɛkae no saa hippocampus no hɔ a ɛna ɔbɛrekɔle ɔkɔtwerɛ exams JHS for ɛkɔtwerɛ exams SS for ɛkɔtwerɛ exams baabi a obɛhia pa in their brain now ɛyɛ 2 areas they need the hippocampus ɛne baabi a ɛfa no the prefrontal cortex ɛno na ɛkyerɛ wɔ rational thinking ɛhwɛmu kyerɛ sɛ akora no a woboro no wode bankute bɔ ne mu na wode onsa bɔ ne mu na wokiki no na wowɔ ne konsa obi wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ ne sane sɛ ne wawo akoto na wɔwɔ a ɛte sɛ yɛde hama bɔ wo tim bɛhyehyew the whole day na adwene ne sɛ wopanihyɛ akora no very well a ɛna woboa no daabi ɔboa me na meka kyerɛ wo ade a masua afa nkora ho no mamemboa wae mamemboa mama mamemboa enti wosi ne saa ɛhwɛmu kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ ne saa no na akora no saa part no a ɛfɛ no hippocampus no na afi ase hyerenke ɛyɛ ketewa na ɛyɛ ketewa ɛmmoa ma ɛnkayɛ memory de yɛbɛma boa no na wɔsua adeɛ a wakae no wohyerenke no nti ɛbɛyɛ ketewa enti akora no kɔsua adeɛ a wɔnhu nti wɔba abɔ no a bisa ho sɛ how much are you contributing to that underachievement of your child deɛ ɔyɛ ɔntumi yɛ no how much have you contributed to it nyɛ no nko a wɔwɔ ne ti ho na wobɔ ne ti ho na wobɔ no na wokiki no na wohwie nsuo gu no so na woyɛ nneɛma ɛma akora no kyɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ ne ho kora na ɛwerɛ hɔ no the second prefrontal cortex na ɛyi a ɔde dwene no ɛno nso ɛbɛwiki no nti wahu deɛ woyɛ no wɔsɛe wo ba no wɔsɛe wo ba akora bi ɔhɔ nso a ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛboro no na mo ade a ɛyɛ no sɛ yɛfa no emotional neglect yɛ sɛ yɛatoto no agyaagyaa mu yɛnware no yɛntɔ atadeɛ ma no yɛmbu ne mmɔyere ma no yɛnkyɛ no how to brush enti wɔntwi ne sɛ abobɔ atɔ te sɛ watiti banku ne fufuo atotɔ hɔ obie na no a wɔnni confidence wɔsrɛ no wɔasu na no na wakɔhyɛ baabi wɔnni confidence wɔtumi nkasa ɔne obi kasa ofie kora no ɔtɛ emotional neglect sɛ wɔatoto akora no agyaagyaa mu it makes them feel unworthy and invisible wɔbi ahunu wɔ ɛyɛ akora no sɛ wɔbi anim no na afei obi akora anwe ne ho na ɔno nkoa no atwe ne ho na wɔn grow a ade baabi a ebire mo paa no ɛyɛ sense of identity ɛne sɛdeɛ osi hu ne ho faa na akora bi a wɔnyini a wɔnni a sense of identity wɔnim sɛdeɛ who am I me ne hwan wɔn anim me na me kora ɛfɛ me sɛ wɔnnim biara no ɛbɛka na tenka as the child grows most na tenka ɛyɛ basa wɔnnim how to manage emotions every say yatoto na gyagya mu he has been neglected, emotionally neglected. Oh my goodness. Nkura bi ɛbrɛ paa wɔse sɛ wɔamma akora no ɛbere a wobɛhage no wode wo nsa bɛfa ne ho waka asɛmpa kyerɛ no a yɛwɔ nwuranwuru bi a yɛfrɛ no oxytocin ɔse oxytocin a ɛyɛ sɛ hwie gu akora no mu na onya atenkapa sɛ I'm also worthy of love me akora ɛsɛ sɛ obi subumi no ɔse it reduces oxytocin secretion enti oxytocin no ɛhwie ngu ne mu nti ɔmfele good na ɔnam hɔ moa bohuma bi ɔse me bɛyi deɛ ɔyɛ moa woka ho wona ho sɛ akora no ɔyɛ moa ensɛm bi a woka kyerɛ no you are destroying your own child enti ɔbɛyɛ moa ɛfi sɛ the level of oxytocin a ohia ɛwɔ nipadua mu no akɔfem ɛmboa no koraa na afei bɛhu sɛ cortex ma bi a control emotions no baabi ɛbɛma ɛnatenka watumi regulate na wahum sɛ ɛnsɛ mebufu adeɛ bi hɔ na mebufu a ɛnsɛ making sure sɛ mabufuo no aba fam no ɛmboa no the orbit frontal cortex ɛno nso sɛ na abrɛ nase na ontumi there's emotional dysregulation. On to me, and she said that thing can ye. Yen now no, our for ye kahopa.
Now so God up on the same team, my me was your dear. We made the quine so my yet kind bed yet. My phone in a jammy, Timamu from Madison, Yagro, Mamma from Madison.
And this our orbital frontal cortex no so say no, and also your adrenaline party beer, a blanco from Mofra, Emma Mutumi, a regulating, a control on my tanker, a crabby or what. Na think about nye not niti bodai not offer no offer sekan wo ye bribi wo fia embo akra no enti neglect enya akra no kwa mama okwa adwuma ma che na wasono wenya no akra no nya enough sleep enche na ba kire mo ni ma bia e shape ye man emotion ba ko e lack of sleep akra no wenya ne ntam no do 4 a.m. when you know, meanwhile, cries or coda by 11 a.m. Who bracrano, men are make catch no, who bracrano, men are make catch no, me say, who bracrano.
And some mamma through you. Let me saw the one I miss up. I want to need hobby. As I found out, son, I meant to say, I know the
I grab your home, your money, crime, money, your overprotection. Ye bonne hoba emanitra won horo nadie onya he bibia ni ho emane ye bibia ye ma no excessive protection overprotection bibia ni ho ye ma no enti ono nko ase esuma ne se koye we yenye ana akotwumako yenye ana akoblani we yenye ote ho ena nkrofo na esom no tie ni ye pa. You are training your child for today and the future. O teteno amane ene dache na kwani ya wode oba no faso no o say oba no pa.
My SM open. The approach no na mi so. Na su krobia ni agenti. Manyanja pa de bia o fie.
And I crave your hand, there are no boundaries at home. But be out to me yet. O reba bia no afa de bi open. O kan no akan wa twe wo. Oh, or ye be only boundaries. Nana some catch us say structure and discipline. We a parental structure and discipline. Nina comes under the general rubric called supervision, parental supervision. Adebi oha, insesa akwaninya. Adebi oha enfama no. Or money phone too early, or ba every 5 years, or phone 10 years, or phone. What is wrong with you, parent? Okay, also, yabri su de sanet. Dabi, my church said ye modern gadget. If you say Eshishan Kura, na Esen Wanadune, na Emma Wadune Anthony so don't give your child a phone at that age. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And one hour day mano, and one atenka Ojia, no Jan what from now the amano bio. You are not engaging your child, will say Akrano. It looks for predictability. I don't know per se. And she shall know who send me free. Ekoha, a free ekoha. And to one boy crano, no one shall not do when you're a predictable mind. Kakra M1 won nim said your obesity fa. Walk on a niminano, and one say, or for her, no dear see her, or see her, no dear for her, won't dear or you know. Who be saying, what are you doing? Or see, I didn't know. Inconsistent rules and boundaries. Ayana, what more than she said boundaries. Ama obano na ebebuano. Conditional love. Akosua M1 krakra ofie. Or mammy be your house, say, just the way you answer my way. There be just about chronic conditions. Do this and I'll do that. Do this and I'll do that. A dozen no do. Everybody be a man chronic who said, what done for who the child is. Yes, a woman conditions. A basa monsa crano, nefe, wabenya a sense of perfectionism. Just say, just so yeah, bribi, judge to jet. ne bibia sisi ano pepepe ansana yamane bribi nya no nko a create the no chronic anxiety debia na ayam hyehyia wo no so manye sa ma mese manye sa papa be se akora bi o ha the fear alone destroys a child.
Some try me photo and some mama through fear. Let me swat them one and miss up. I want to know hobby. I suffer now, son. Come to say,
Oba, love the child the way the child is. Said your tibia, Oba. Here the beyond how many conditions. Just away your way and son of my way. Just away your way and son of my way. Just away your way and son of my way. It created dopamine spikes in them. Into a kind of only I am share the beyond none yam she say. My yes, I me mammy and pemasam. Na only no so she shana brabo, nena tenka, nena june. It will not help the child. The fear be your house when they anywhere and to conquer. Mammy, aircon, papa, aircon, and crown air. Michelle Crabby, I see a fear as when they anyone don't miss ya dear, or to them no see dear. Nanny mammy come, Nanny papa so come, and don't miss your hair. Exposure to constant conflict and now they find conflictual homes. If you be on to kwawum, one way aircon, one ukunu aircon, nan kwanijina ho, it destroys them. And he much less a basa, sa behind me and we catch no hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex. A big cross worker, the orbital contest na orbito frontal contest no essay ho obehunu se akrano na 10 cancel essay na dwene essay what ho na osu conflictual homes masumdwe embra ofie oni ukurunya asem a monhye dan mu na monka na sumdwe so monka ne boko de opa ne ho chew no mompa mo ho chew de moye mo ho atu momma ehunu se moko antokwa ewo nkura nanim emwa won essay won adache essay won adwene babia na watumi asua de no wakai no na hippocampus is weakened and damaged. Eyimu ya di ba konso ha fie bi organa ha eyimu favoritism wawo mbabe miensa opeba ko asem esene nkai no wo yisika wo ni bumba ba ko no yare anu akosa no hospital ba ko no de onyame nka ne ho eti akrana yembu no of feeling worthless and resented. When you say will be unpenasam, or feeling worthless and resented. When you say will be unpenasam, or feeling worthless and resented. When you say will be unpenasam, me say or feeling worthless and resented.
And then what they are binding to you. My free me, my son, of fire, yeah.
Social rejection is a problem for children. Was say meda and you are no moon now see and pemasam. Ye tata dia bakon dia ye brighter esen bakon. Ye to mpaboa bakon dia ye brighter sen bakon. Ye tu kwan ya ye bakoko esen bakon. Birthday eson ye to keka bakon dia so sen bakon. Some parents are a problem. And Chabia, maybe a phone lines, no, our friend. Bisami Kosa, and I'm in Moa, and a Babuapa. A Babuapa, Brabo, a Bashi show, Amavie, and so as you ye.
Nansu Crobian Agenti, Manaja Padia Biao,
Favoritism iyimu akrabi ohonmo a yesi oya ades ni nuanom enti yato computer e de amano yato phone e de amano enkafo no de woye bola enkrano ye wo princess ni o sankwase so wo mu yes, I mean, na craba condia when you a sense of entitlement. A yen is on no dear or sninianum, won't will be out of your home, or to talk or mano da chance, or to tune a famous no. Well, a sense of entitlement and about Codia Savi. On dear, won't cobolas. Favoritism eba konso emwa kra se wo mba mi ensa ana enu a ya me yimo no bi enim obrempon achase Sameja no yimu anka mese anka banko school efi se na menim ade My brothers, they are very loving. The Safredu family, and we are so loving. My brothers, me call my name Kakra, me Kaipa, me be Professor Nono Washeda, or two party be, and one mommy, an award. My family, Moya Jaja to Jepa. I am the last of so many children, both half brothers and mother maternal brothers. Woman, you know, be anywhere me to now, so na me ni ma de na ma bon. My brothers encourage me, and basically they still encourage me. Sani epe, they never saw me as a competition. Oma whom say many am we see a kind. They encourage me. I'm the last born. Obana ebia, otosumi enu, ebia first born, ebia last born. One of them may not be as sharp as the rest. I say, my main lines no na friend, I mean no ending come on. And the lines now, yeah, the edge money lines now, the edge no 0260 196064 0260 196064 0260 196065 0260 196065 Fred na ending come on. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Neja na hana meneka say.
Isaac Islegon.
Hey.
Isaac Islegon. I'm sure
Isaac Islegon. Why are they yankasa?
I'm sure what people mad.
Amen.
I'm sure it money to go for do an hour between the jumbo. What my head? You're question was an up. Na yenya adwen papa for yena before yenya adwen say prediction be we must do it e bia na pede soldier nya na ye you police adma ye pede so far my focus men hwe ma ma me ma obere obakan all my focus on the thing we want to do in future and to all my social we focus on what we want to do in future in the way the medawasi
I why are papa chisaje gudiechi Amen as why are dear pa I obi so emfre na yedin komo obi mfre na yedin komo me say don't destroy your child. Why and I also want to pay.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. No one America say.
That's what me myself.
Me that's papa pay for say.
What's your friend
Okay. And then I can pay.
we never see any in church and now the way and open. I honestly believe that everything that you are saying the right thing. I grew up in a home where I was not respected at all.
Oh, Kose.
I have a vision problem. So I cannot see well.
Right.
And as I'm growing up, it's like the eyes of the people are not on me.
Oh.
The way I am speaking English today, I need learning from other people.
Oh.
And I thank God that today, if anything at all, my name is being mentioned somewhere.
Amazing.
I'm the last one, like you said, you're also.
Oh, we are catching this young Kuruma. We are special. Why? Hey.
Because I'm a slow learner.
Oh.
And people do not believe that somebody like me can even speak English. By the grace of God, today I'm a pastor.
Wonderful.
Not just a pastor, but a teacher also.
Amazing.
Who is a teacher?
Amazing.
Somebody is not a good student at school today is a teacher. So like you said about the cultism, about the other things, I believe that parents should come to a place of understanding who their children are. And we should treat them as well the way they are. So that they grow up in the future. In fact, when my father was dying, he confessed to his friend that this is my son. I don't even know what to become of him in the future. But before he died, he confessed to his friend that I didn't know that this guy will become like this. If not, I should have helped the guy. So, bro, God bless you so much.
Many
parents should listen to what you are saying.
Why are dear Papa?
God bless you so much. God bless you so much. And then my lovely sister, Abuaji Abu. I don't know the name.
Hey,
I really love that. I really love that woman from her old place to the new place.
Why are dear Papa?
God bless you so much.
Bye bye. And to be a mayor program be at the ama. We one more year last bomb for. My program, Mama Pa. Hello, why in the world call me so? Hello? Yes.
Hello.
Good morning, Naja. Metonka. I got do more radio no crowd, do more radio na Yankasa. Okay. Ola no munya clever. Kasa den kakra. O frefre. Nungwa yo kasa en. Amen. Nshira unso. Okay. Oh, well, no, your crowd. Wait here, well, I ain't San Free BY. Yanto one cacra. I may say Anchibia may lines no 020196064 and 020196065. Momodiana Fred. Why no line also no mamma no casa?
Good morning.
Where do you have to come out? Good morning, if I'm saying. Okay, and I ain't gonna say.
No, that's all. That's a pan and church and pay. Any people Akosua Nhira, my dear, is Yantia Santa. I'm a Sunday Sunny say. No, Baba, 8 years now. I know, I can say, your bed doctor, and hopefully, so betting I, but I never come say, so swear this, until her ex say, Nigeria say, yes, you are money when I am with you, TV. Say, that's a can of banning more than I am no sure, Sunny. ya no yes ana maka say no be also be doctor which shows that they we dey yes sa wa dream na want to be a doctor say a doctor we be mu ja me sa na ama okay and you sure dey yes o fa ka o pe do for na o ye ndi sa me ka sa me ha me banana
one how ba no kra we no guidance wo guide no akra bi wo ho a osro moja osro bra se obi yare anas obi yam hyehyena bibi to bi a ontumi nyina no enti be fa no career guidance enti obepa obi a counselor bi na odi akwana ko obeboa na wa guide akwana hu adwuma obetumi aye ya na nkra bi wo ho a doctor no okano kaka ifi se eye ne fe o shata ne sa eye ne fe but sad no person way no it comes with certain requirement of attributes and na momo no when you be man share no man your assessment career assessment e manwa ka obi hu exactly the open why I mean sharp e ba cho ho na online so no
doctor
yes sir
Lucky.
Mejo Sompa when you
Yeah, man.
Bajo off everything. Bajo when you now off everything. Hey, Minya. What dear? How did who nipa off every hono? Oh, Jakose, Kose, Safari View. Bajo. Why na our line is my no kasa. Oh, kose. E ba cho one our line is my no kasa.
Papa me pa cho me ma Sompa.
Eh, Sompa o e market ya pa. Na to say.
Papa me mo ye.
Oh, now frefre ni.
E pa cho me frefre o da choma.
Na e fro senso.
Pa cho me bimbi ama.
Ama en kasa.
Papa, chama mo kike dia tete. Bu me. Na papa mi swalo oni chama ma me ka to me so.
Oh, o kan say dey.
Me ma me, o ti wu be bre ansana me ma bre. Be bre ansana me ma bre.
Oh, ko say, yeah, where do I
Papa oni say ende mini anuma na or tineni asha muna me na me shano
wow
ya na me so and sama o ke ka to me so mama na bu ma be
mo oya de
papa me gina me na so me se me kuta kula ba ko me ban na tini kense ya me mani sika me mano no bi me mama ni me bani
okay
mini anumu na omo no oyi wa mo no papa obi anhwe me na me hwe
wow
me enya juma kase bia na me ye fie juma
okay
papa me kase nya me ni nyam se me na me hwe man
why ya dear papa why ya dear
I sama fi awufo ano eto mo maso no papa edi papa e do be bia na ase me koni pamita na msuru ayi sama ma me ka to me so be bra kana ma bre na ye no papa usha akola na o ka to no so no open ya na open
where dey I say what do me akra no where dey mama on yade but me dey anyame ase wa yade pa
o ti ase asama mi tensa o tie pa
ebia no anya adwen sakra enti where dey mo akoma anto yem dey hia ne say
me di skano komanda ho asama onka
ai
mo so o dina phone so say onka sanya mi islami onka sa me da se oni
why yade say wanka sa nso wa hwe ho yi enti onyame hia o papa na to aso a why to aso a yo baba yes na hwan wala no see
papa machi
me pa cho dumu phone no kra dumu line no sorry dumu
papa machi
dumu radio me je so pa but one e ka say
papa mo je ma pa we
Amen. But you want to say you, now I say friend.
About your friend, Sarkodie.
Okay.
You can say free Sompa Committee 11.
All right. Sompa Committee.
Papa, you about your. You can't call me.
Okay.
Call me.
Okay.
And I'm really back.
Okay.
And I'm sure.
Okay.
Me brother Diano. Ya me brother Ban. Utimi Pia Bontini. Me my baby man. So me Janu fit so mama fancy. Obeko Kushima and Joe. Yeah, there 7 or there 9 years. And son was
wow.
Papa, my tiana, so still. I told you, I'm a big man, own singing Yama. Own singing Yaman, Nakono, and Yamano, own see.
Oh, yeah.
My Jaya, she said, Missing in Bonivio. Name family, sir, and Canadian. No more. Make church and quiet, send your walker. Papa, Yamin Shroud. And you're too to
Yamin Shroud. So. Now, remember my program be a measure how to handle difficult children. Obi oha akrana ofie no akwana so den nti ane hanadwe me abekire sankro sani mani nyina how to handle difficult children mkra omo babone kofi babone ya babone kwame babone measure how to handle them na aboa omo pa. Hello.
Hello, Pastor. Good morning.
Good morning. Last caller. Na it is say your friend say
Pastor Mama Cecilia Polygon.
Mama Cecilia Polygon. Amen, Mama.
Ya wo ye me ba no so so ye kesa wa. Polygon or level 200.
Mo.
It is you. It's you the dia o.
Eh.
It's me the car can say go lecture be kula be church Sompa.
Eh.
It won't
you.
It is your own year no. Oh year person ban ba no or your ba.
Or be any more crass in me.
I think you could finish. Yankupon won't share what.
Amen.
Oh, you look at Mamma Kosha Guabwa. Yankupon won't share no sooner to eat this. Somebody can check a papa ya brain. Now, come on. Oh, you must have power. Amen.
Amen. A man for a ha and yede. Jumedi na ABC na maybe say mama some announcement kakra mo say mo amoson for Jesus for me da Center for Aging Studies maybe 10 years na 10 years Friday yeah 10 o'clock 9:30 pepe me launch no ewo ise conference room me launch no enti momodia na bra 9:30 na brana me no and launch a 10 years anniversary krokra membrewa onyinimu nsem member so a Sompa Rhapsody yebeka onyinimu nsem pa and the Center for Aging Studies is 10 years old. Hooray! On the 10th no 9:30 a.m. at Ise Conference Center na ye launch no ye tonsa for us bra na be so ya say anopai the medi area okra ne say kan hu say obra yi no the wo ye wo ba no o say no ana o ma na ekoso kan hu say o siesie wo fi a na o kan sempa e de a kire wo ma e bebua wo ma ne pa kan hu say wo kan sem a esen mo fra no a they are hippocampus and prefrontal cortex and so ebe say wo na me be wi ma me mo bo ade so quickly Unilever for say do the two amodia nature chawanum na fa Pepsodent fa eno na fa twitwo say do the two, you and your children they will grow strong and have cavity free smiles here no kwa efe just bread and pastry say open kinka fine pata or say better one chain one number 025606883 025606832 kai say onyame adoma ochina so ebesan ehia bio
Sorry, pa. Bring some money, try me photo, and some mama through you. Let me swat them one and miss up. I want you need hobby. That's how far now, son.
I'm ba. Che minimum say na wutie papa. Oh yes, Sompa Rhapsody 106.5. Emma Aketia pop fan. Oh yeah, dear papa na. Che wejuma enkoso pa latest technologies. Enkoso papa because oh boy. Na adwempa da otimu no. Minimum say wo hwe o mayi na efie nso beku yi. Wonyame hye che ba for one latest technology. Oman for ha na bedem besi ochina same time 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock mosonfo Joseph Osafo Metenase na me de Sompa Rhapsody Edia Bro 106.5 FM Emma Aketiapa onyame nka ho no one na wanambo ama ofie NCA kan hu say you can make your home right and you can build your children into champions. Shalom, peace and life to you. Bye bye.